Yo, what's going on, traders? I hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back at the charts again, and today we need to talk about my trading day yesterday and today. Yesterday I made a huge mistake and I felt so bad about it because I blew my smaller account that I was using for higher risk trading. And the problem that I had was that I was not using a stop loss, didn't stick to my money management rules. I mean, even if you trade a high risk account, you cannot put everything on the line. And I was trading this account like this with this all or nothing mentality. And I don't know why, man, I felt like I lost reality for a second and it really hurt. And it felt so stupid. I felt so stupid because I was not sticking to my game plan. I was putting the whole account on risk on one trade and yeah, blew the whole account. I was losing 417,000 of my own money plus all the profits that I made the last 2 weeks. So yeah, I was lucky that I withdrew around 580,000 from this $1 million account and just had like around 417,000 or 420,000 left inside the account and I was just blowing it plus all my profits. So yeah, the only thing that I had was like, yeah, this $420,000 loss yesterday, and I felt so bad. I was so depressed. But yeah, today I made it all back. Was trading one of my small accounts. I was trading one of my small accounts and my bigger account. I was risking on my bigger account. I was risking 2% on that trade that I've shared with everybody today. So in the free Telegram channel and in my inner circle mentorship group, the trade that I shared today, the NASDAQ trade, I took it with both accounts. On the high risk account, I was using 5% risk. On the smaller one, I was using 2% risk, and I took profits at around a 1 to 3 risk reward. So I made 15% on that smaller account and 6% on that bigger account, which adds up to around 500 grand. So I mean, yeah, I fucked it up yesterday. I felt stupid, like you cannot imagine. I mean, some of you can imagine how it feels to blow an account. I mean, some of you are blowing accounts, but to be so stupid to risk your whole account on one trade just because you're losing reality for a second, you don't treat it like a business and you play around and don't use your risk parameters, don't stick to your plan, man, it feels so shitty, man. I have no words for that, for being so stupid, but I feel like I had to feel that way because it was a long time ago that I blew my last account, and this time I felt like like I did before, and it was just, oh, it just sucked, man. I felt like a fucking idiot. And yeah, I was very depressed yesterday. And yeah, luckily I made it all back today on that trade, guys. It was a beautiful sniper. I mean, let's talk about the trade that I took today and why I took it and why I shared this one with you guys. Well, if we look at this huge trend move, I mean, trading against the overall flow of the market and trying to pick the top is stupid enough. I don't know why I did it, man. It just came over me. I was not really sticking to my roots, and I had to get a slap in my face. And yeah, the market did that yesterday. But today I gave it a slap back, and now we quit. But anyways, let's talk about why I took the trade today and why I bought this thing finally. Well, first of all, yesterday's high was here, right? And we didn't slash through it yet. Then we had Asian session, London session, and then when New York started, we had this slash through this equal lows in here, and then we had a huge push to the upside. And when the market came back, I was looking at the smaller time frames to see what it does. So let's check the 1 minute time frame. Check the structure on the 1 minute time frame, because this yesterday's high, these equal highs in here have not been taken out yet. So I was really interested in that level, and I was waiting for the market to pull back and then give me sign of a reversal, like a break of structure on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, we built up a nice compression zone on the way back, getting back into this last slash to the downside. As you can see, we slashed to the downside here, and then we had this nice movement to the upside. So this last slash to the downside, this is where we are looking for like sign of a reversal. And as you can see, it was tapping into that zone and then was breaking structure in here. You see that? So we broke structure in here, and then when the market made that move, I was like, all right, if the market gets back here into that zone, into this zone in here, I'm willing to buy. And the market came back as expected. It wasn't like a sniper entry. We didn't have any drawdown in here, just a little bit. I mean, just a little bit of drawdown, and then the market was just moving up and hitting our target. And it even keeps on moving, so we could have let it run for a runner, but 1 to 3 risk reward was enough for me on that one to make all the losses that I did on my small account yesterday back. I was trading both accounts this time, so yeah, I'm happy with the results. I hope that some of you have banged on this trade as well. It was a beautiful runner. As soon as the market came back in here, right, then we slashed to higher highs. As soon as I saw this break of structure in here, I was moving my stop like that to reduce risk, and then the thing was just flying, hitting our take profit target, and we banged good on that one. Yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a wonderful rest of the week. Nice weekend if we don't see each other tomorrow. Let's see, maybe I'm going to take a trade, maybe not. Let's see, I don't know yet. But anyways, I hope you all had a profitable week. My week is kind of like break even. So yeah, it was not the best week that I had in last week's, but anyways, all good guys. Stay healthy and have a good time. Have a nice weekend. Peace out. Every time I, why you